So I'm back in Korea now, and I did not expect this, but my parents have actually just left some of my projects from like 4 months ago, just completely untouched. This is Yuzu Cheong, or Yuja Cheong, or Yuja Cha, which has been in the fridge the entire time I've been gone. It smells absolutely amazing. The only thing with this one is I did leave the seeds in. I probably should have taken the seeds out. Let's give it a taste. That is absolutely delicious. That is amazing. That's gonna make a great chung. Another chung which didn't work out so great because it's just been left here for the entire time, not in the fridge. I'll be honest, I kind of forgot about it. I kind of left it there on purpose just to see what would happen. This is our Chinese date, or jujube chung, in dark brown sugar. And as you can see, it is absolutely covered in mold. That's no good. That's going straight in the bin. But I mean, other than that, you know, all the sugar is dissolved. It's just also super moldy. But maybe we'll try this one again. I brought my water kefir grains and my kombucha SCOBY to Korea so that I could start making more kombucha and kefir here. So those are actually going there. It's already producing gas, and I've only put this in here for like a couple hours. So we'll maybe get some really interesting flavors going here.